Hey guys, welcome back. So I bet you guys are wondering, what the heck is she doing right? Okay, I have an excuse, all right? So I had a treatment in my hair, right? And I left it in my hair for like maybe a few hours, maybe like 2 or 3 hours. And I was doing stuff outside, like, you know, the kids were playing outside and my husband was washing the car and all that good stuff. So I decided to just take the hose and just rinse out my hair. I didn't show that part because, you know, I decided afterwards, let me just wash my hair outside. So I basically started rinsing off my hair outside, and I kid you not, like, the feeling, the temperature of the weather in general was amazing. It wasn't too hot, like it was sunny, but it wasn't hot. So the weather was basically perfect, okay? Will I continue to wash my hair outside? It depends, because we are always outside. The kids are always outside. And it depends. I don't know. I would definitely change a lot of things. Like, make sure you have a chair, for sure. What else? Chair is number one. Oh, I would wash my hair like on the driveway instead of in the grass or whatever grass that's left in the dirt, because it did get muddy on my, just a little bit on my side. And then my kids eventually started playing with the hose, and you know how that goes. But yeah, so I'm just rinsing out the shampoo now. And I used a bucket of water first, and then I ran out of water, so I eventually was using the hose, which, oh my goodness, like when I said the pressure on this hose was amazing. I had it gave me like a scalp massage, and it was incredible. It just felt really good. So that's me giving a thumbs up, just telling you guys, like, yo, this feels legit. If I had like a chair, it would have been better. My back wasn't hurting or anything, but I would definitely recommend using a chair. So that's me just enjoying the weather. Sorry for the quality, but yeah, it's okay. So right now I am using, what is called? See, I can't even open it. The deep conditioner by, what do you call? The deep conditioner by, wow, I have a brain fart. ApHogee, yes, ApHogee, the Curlific line. Okay, like I said, this deep conditioner is amazing. It's very thick, like it's like thick and gooey at the same time, if that makes sense. Like, I don't even understand, like when you scoop it up, it's like very thick, but it's gooey, like it's like I don't know. But yeah, so I'm applying this to my hair. As I mentioned in my other videos, I am paying more attention to my hair. I am exercising more, so I'm eating better, and I'm going to implement more Ayurvedic like products to my hair. Not excessively, because I'm still going to stick to my basic, because my basic really did get me this far. But I want to see if my hair would, I guess, get thicker and grow longer faster, because my hair now, it doesn't really grow at an average rate. I think it grew at an average rate 1 year, and that's because I was pregnant. I was, what, last year? I was pregnant, so that doesn't count. So yeah, you see, they're fighting as like, I don't understand. Like, they forgot that the cat. Yep, I see you. Yep, I see you. Child, I tell you, boy. But yeah, so I'm trying to get my hair to grow at an average rate, at least 3 inches, 3 to 6 inches in a year, at least. Well, honestly, 4 to 6 inches. So I will be doing her hair next. She just took out some braids. She's still taking out braids. But yeah, it's been like, what, almost 2 months she had these braids in. So I'm going to wash her hair outside too. She ended up loving it. She might just end up asking me to wash her hair outside all the time, knowing her. I will not rinse it off on camera because I'm like, okay, you guys get the gist. I'm just rinsing it off. You guys seen the rinsing process or washing process. So I'm just gonna rinse it off camera, and then you will see me do my oldest kiddo's hair. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be giving you guys my overall commentary at the end of the video. So stay tuned. Be blessed. So I'm done with washing her hair. Right now I am just parting her hair so I can deep condition her hair. I'm using the Manuka Honey by Shea Moisture. This hair mask made her hair extremely soft. I didn't have to go in with a wide tooth comb at all. Her hair, I just finger detangled her hair, and it was just like very manageable. So we are done. I'm about to deep condition and then rinse this out. Would you like the end of the video?
No.
You feel like you was getting ready to talk, girl. Look at this nonsense, guys. Look at this nonsense going on.
Ugly.
What do I? She's even worse. So this was just random, okay? Let me sit down. I'm tired. My back hurt. But this wash day was mad random, okay? We were outside. We're always outside. And I had like treatment in my hair. The rice water treatment. I wanted to try it, right? So my husband was cleaning the car outside. So I was like, you know what? Let me just wash my hair outside. Oh my gosh. It felt amazing. Like, I wasn't prepared because it was just random. As you can see, I'm still in my dress that I went out with this morning. I wasn't prepared, but I just wanted to rinse out the treatment that was in my hair without having to like kind of plan, oh, I need to go in the shower and I need to wash my hair. No, I just did it outside. I was already outside. I did it outside. I was like, psh, psh, listen. And then I was like, oh, I might as well shampoo my hair too. Why not? So yeah, that's what I did. And I loved it. Like the pressure from the hose, I felt like I had the hose on my head for like a semi-second, and all the conditioner and shampoo was out. Like, I mean, all the shampoo was out. That's it. But the pressure, oh my gosh, like it felt so good. It felt so good. And I decided to do my oldest daughter's hair. Might as well, right? She loved it too. She was chilling. Almost fell asleep. But yeah, she was good. And as you can see, wasn't prepared. She had jeans on. But next time when I do it, definitely going to have like shorts on, you know, like almost a bathing suit on, like gym clothes or something. Something that could get wet and it'll dry quickly too. But yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. It was just random, out of nowhere. I don't have neighbors. Well, at least they're far away. It's nothing but land. Let me show you. Nothing but land. Okay. So, I hope you guys like this video. It was extremely random. I needed a video to record, so yeah, don't do me. So I'm going to rinse this out, and then I'm going to just style my hair in the medium twist as usual. And I'm going to use Cantu. I mean, if you guys watch my other videos, you will know my regimen, okay? Using Cantu, the oil, medium twist, call it a day. Sometimes I do large twists if I know I'm going to style it, but this time I'm going to do some medium twists, probably like 10 to 12 twists in my hair, style it with the twist, and call it a day. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that goodness. And you guys already know. Be blessed.